What if I tell you that the reason why you are worried about your videos not getting views is because you keep ignoring this truth about YouTube? Truth number one: zero views are an important part of YouTube. Every channel that is successful today once had a time where they had zero views, so you should accept zero views as a phase. The second truth is that quality does not matter to the algorithm. Consistency does. YouTube cares about how consistent you are with your updates, and we test that first. Now, this does not mean that your first 10 or 20 videos have to be good. Just post something. The third truth is that views always come late. It takes days or weeks or even months before the algorithm awards your content with views. Now, what this means is that you cannot judge yourself based on the current number of views your videos have, because you do not know whether your algorithm has even started testing your videos. A very good way to know is to go through your dashboard and check your impressions. If you see that your impressions are so low, then you do not have to judge that video at all. It means the algorithm has not even started testing the video. Truth number four: each video makes you better at what you do. Every video you shoot makes you better at talking to the camera, editing, hooking attention. Video 40 is only good because you made video 1 to 39. So the more you make videos, the more you get better at what you do. The difference between a person with 2 views and a person with 200k views is not always because one person has more talent. It is because someone decided that he or she is not going to give up. If you give up now, you will never know what your breakthrough video would have been.